Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should open Google Maps and confirm you're signed into the Google account where you want home set. This ensures the label syncs across devices. Once done, grant location permission so Maps can suggest nearby addresses. Now, go straight to Saved and tap Labeled. This is the starting point for changing home. You're beginning the only consistent path that reliably updates the home label. Follow the next steps to replace or edit the address correctly. You tap Home in Labeled and then choose how to provide the new address. Search, drop a pin, or choose from your recent places. You want precision, so search the full address or zoom and drop the pin exactly where your residence sits. This prevents routing errors. Once the map shows the correct location, edit the address fields if needed and tap Save. Because this edits the labeled entry, you're changing the canonical home across Google Maps and connected services. You finalize the change by asking Maps for directions to home. This confirms the saved coordinates and address work for routing. Make sure to give Maps a few minutes to sync. If you use multiple devices, check them now. If the new home doesn't appear or routes are off, clear the app cache, update Google Maps, or sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. These steps resolve stale data and ensure your home label reflects the correct location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.